Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will share with you how to get loan from Dubai Islamic Bank. So guys, go to Dubai Islamic Bank and go to get personal finance, and from here what you have to do guys, scroll down and you find a different personal finance to apply. From here you can get up to 5 million this kind of currency, 5 million of dirham currency, and you here just click apply. If you want to apply from this, click apply. After that, scroll down guys, you have this option, quick and easy and simple. This is existing customer or new customer. If you are new customer, click this one. If you are existing customer, click apply now. And from here guys, you can scan this QR code and you can register through your mobile device. And if you want to register from your computer PC, just complete these steps and then you can enter your user ID, password, enter required security. If you want to apply from this one, click request callback and wait to loading this page. As you can see here guys, write your name and company and mobile phone and complete this, how much money you earned, and click submit option. As you can see here, this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget give like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon.